viral mini Longchamp in Paris. I've been seeing these all over my For You page and they're just the cutest thing ever. This location had all of them in stock, and obviously add this to the list of things that are cheaper in France, so I ended up going with 2. And since I went with neutral colors, I ended up adding some scarves to give it some pop of color. I love these 2 that I picked out. I think it'll be perfect for spring and summer. Now all that's missing is some charms and then also the strap, which they do not sell in store, by the way.
Do you know what I say? Fuck them! Exclamation point! Fuck them! Yeah, fuck them! Relax and fuck. I suddenly speak out and it's summer. Each of my mini bags will actually fit. I have the contents of what I generally carry in my purses here. We're going to prioritize the keys, phone, and the wallet. Last but not least is my Longchamp mini cosmetic case that looks like a Pliage. I did a whole video showing what I could fit in it, but let's see. Phone went in there really easily. Wallet, sunglasses, a lot of space. Keys, headphones, my lip trio, fragrance, mints. I think this fits the most out of everything. Hand sanitizer. Okay, is this cheating if I put it up here? Yeah, it is. Scrunchie, powder puff, the little sticky, pen. It zips. Fit everything except these 3 things, which means I feel like it deserves this. All that's left is the hand cream and the slick stick. Technically, it's not even the biggest one, and I think it's the winner. This is everything the mini Longchamp carries. That's a lot. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I feel like I need to do this with big bags now.
Absolutely love the last video that I posted of what's in my bag. I was not expecting that amount of love, and thank you so much. So for that reason, I want to start a series of what fits in my mini bags. I have a bunch. I am a mini bag lover, so today we are going to do what fits in my mini Longchamp. I have the burgundy one. I have had it for over a year now. I love her. It fits so much in here. Of course, I added some back charms. I have this one. It's very similar to the other one I posted, but this one is espresso martini. And then we have a Sony Angel. I love this one because it's neutral, so it goes really well with the burgundy. And then we have this smiley face that is from Lisa Goslan, which is the place that I get some of my bracelets, which you guys been also asking. Okay, let's get to it. Starting off strong with a tight pen, of course. Kayali Oud Rose perfume. Love that perfume. Milk Jelly Tint. Skin Lip Gloss. This is from their holiday collection. These glosses are so shiny and they make your lips look so juicy. I love them. L'Occitane hand cream. Hand sanitizer, of course. This one's in the salted caramel scent. I absolutely love it. YSL card holder. As you can see, I have always loved burgundy. We have a fun pretty big. And I still have more things in there. Listerine strips. And my powder puff and my Charlotte Tilbury powder. And that is all. I think this is also a great gift. It's only $100 and it's such a good quality bag. And she's so chic. So just let me know if you want to see more of these videos. I honestly don't mind them. I'm constantly changing bags, and like I said, I have a bunch of minis, so I will happily share. Bye!
I finally get the hype on these Longchamp bags. I finally ordered one. I've been eyeing these forever. They're just like these tiny little bags. This is so small. It honestly doesn't hold a whole lot, but it holds my wallet, my lip gloss, my keys, and that's all I really need. It doesn't come with this like crossbody strap, but I actually found it on Amazon, and it's quite literally the perfect match. You just kind of attach it to the sides and you can take it on and off, and it's just perfect. I'm like really excited to take this with me when I go run errands and things like that where I don't need like a huge bag. It's just so cute. I love it.
Let's see if I can fit all of this into this, my mini Longchamp.
Honestly, it's kind of a lot of shit. Better view for y'all.
Okay. Starting with my wallet and my keys. This is gonna go based on priority, what I think is most important, because I don't think all of this shit's gonna fit. My lip combo, my Revlon, Too Faced, lip injection, Summer Fridays, and my Fenty Beauty. And yes, I need all four for the perfect lip combo. Hand sanitizer, because it'd be nasty out there. I need my sunglasses, not as much as I need my hair clip, to be honest. Little mini perfume, yes. Lancome cream, yes. I feel like I don't really need my whitening pen. Like, I can just use that in the morning when I brush my teeth. A clothespin just in case, a necessity. My Aquaphor, yes. Even though it's not part of my lip combo, just in case. My birth control, yes. I'm not trying to have any babies yet. My cash, I probably don't need this much, so maybe I'll... Wait, does it fit though? Okay, it fits. A hair tie, yes. 2 clips just in case. A razor, I feel like this is important for my mustache. For being honest. Last things I have are my gum and my Lucky Penny. I don't think anything else is gonna fit in this. She's thick, she's heavy. I'm gonna put my Lucky Penny, obviously it takes no space and it brings me luck. Okay, let's zip her up. There she goes. She's perfect. She's a mini, but she's everything. I love shopping, tanning, and celebrity costumes. Always have, always will.
What's in my bag? I haven't done one of these in so long, and I have a new bag. As you can see, a mini Longchamp. I'm so obsessed with her. She's filled to the brim, so this is gonna be fun. This is what she's looking like. I want to put more charms on her, but I'm still figuring out which ones I want to buy, and maybe I'll buy a new chain. But for now, I'm so obsessed with the setup. But I have this little cherry charm. It's a Coach dupe. It's not the Coach one. I got this one on AliExpress. We're gonna unclasp her and unzip. Okay, and this is what the inside looks like. First, I have wet wipes. I always have to keep that with me. And then I have this vapor rub thing I got in London at the beginning of the year. It's so handy, especially now that it's getting cold. I mean, it's cold as fuck already, but I'm starting to get a little bit sick. So I keep that with me so I can do a little 1-2, and then my nose feels refreshed. I'm obsessed with vapor rub. That's why Dominican of me. But next, my digital camera. I'm obsessed with her. And I told you guys I'm feeling a little bit sick, so I have ampicillina with me because whenever I get sick, I just have tonsillitis,
say I feel perfect. So this is in my bag. And then I have Smith's, which is just breath mints. I go through these so fast. I buy so many in a week. It's just so delicious to me. I don't know. And then I have my passport. I don't have an ID because the passport is just way better. Like, I don't gotta pay extra and I can travel with it. This is the picture I have on there. It was not the best day, but whatever, we figured it out. And I have my card holder. You guys have asked me where I got this from so many times. I got this in a work Christmas package like 2 years ago. But if you Google card holder pop-up or like pop-up card holder, whatever, doesn't matter what order it's in, this is gonna come up. It's so handy. I have a bunch of my cards in here, like my credit cards, my public transport card. I wore this bag yesterday and I was wearing loafers, so I had to buy band-aids because they were giving me blisters. So I have a few of them in here. And then yesterday I have brunch at Bakers and Roasters in Amsterdam. This is my favorite brunch spot in Amsterdam ever. Like, I am so obsessed. They make the best huevos rancheros, like amazing. And then I have this little bag my friend got me from Greece, and it just has my lip combo in there. Nothing special, just like 3 lip liners, Rare Beauty blush that I also use on my lips, and a mirror. And the last thing is my keys. I've seen so many people that have like 20 million fucking keys on there. I only got one, and it's my house key. I'm so happy with my bag. She fits more stuff than I thought she would be able to. She fits almost as much as my Telfar, so it's not like a big shift for me. But yeah, I'm so obsessed with her. I'm in love with her. We need to give her a name. I feel like she might be a Rebecca.